Our top story now: in India lodged a strong protest on an incident involving firing by the Sri Lankan Navy during apprehension of Indian fishermen. The incident took place and 13 Indian fishermen were held near Delft Island. And this was reported in the early hours. Out of the 13 fishermen who were on board the fishing vessel, 2 sustained serious injuries, according to reports, and are currently receiving treatment at a hospital in Jaffna. Let's go across to Ghazali now for more. And Ghazali, the MEA is saying that this is not acceptable. This sort of firing on Indian fishermen is not acceptable under any circumstances.
Yes, certainly. A very strong protest has been lodged by the External Affairs Ministry. The acting High Commissioner of Sri Lanka has also been summoned by the External Affairs Ministry today. And this particular incident happened today morning when around 13 Indian fishermen were apprehended by the Sri Lankan Navy. And before apprehending them, they started firing at them, which led to the injury of 5 fishermen. 3 received minor injuries. They were treated in the hospital and then they were released, while 2 have sustained serious injuries and they are still under treatment in the Jaffna hospital. The Indian High Commission in Sri Lanka is constantly in touch with those fishermen, and they have also sort of registered their protest with the Sri Lankan Foreign Ministry. Now, this incident is very critical, very important, very significant for the Indian government, because time and again, whenever the Sri Lankan government was there was discussion with the Sri Lankan government, India has always maintained the fact that the issue of fishermen is related to their livelihood, and this entire conflict should be seen through the prism of humane treatment. It should not be seen as a hostile behavior from the fishermen, or the entire issue should be treated in a humane way, is what the NEA believes. And surprisingly, this incident has happened almost like 4 or 5 days after the defense attaché there with the Indian High Commission, the defense advisor. The defense advisor had met the commander of the Sri Lankan Navy, and after which, 5 days after which, this incident has been reported. And the issue of Indian fishermen was also prominently discussed when Sri Lankan President Mr. Dissanayake was recently in India, in Delhi, when he met the Prime Minister here and senior officials of the government. And back then, even then, the entire issue of the Sri Lankan fishermen, Indian fishermen, sort of moving in the waters, in the sea area there, was discussed by the Indian government, but yet this incident has happened and India has lodged a very strong protest.